Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Judge.me from Shopify, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Judge.me from your Shopify store, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. In the Apps section, locate the Judge.me app in your list of installed applications. Click on the Judge.me app to open its settings page. In the Judge.me app settings, look for an option that says Remove App or Uninstall. Click on the Remove App or Uninstall button. A pop-up window may appear, asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Confirm your decision to remove the app by clicking on the appropriate option in the pop-up. After the app is removed, return to the Apps section to ensure Judge.me no longer appears in your list of installed apps. Next, check your Shopify theme to ensure any Judge.me related code snippets are removed. To do this, navigate to the Online Store section in the left sidebar. Click on Themes and then select Actions next to your current theme. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Look for any files that may contain Judge.me code snippets, such as the theme.liquid file or product template files. Carefully remove any Judge.me code snippets you find. After making your edits, click Save to apply the changes to your theme. Finally, check your storefront to ensure that everything is functioning correctly without the Judge.me app. Your Shopify store should now be free of the Judge.me application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.